Good morning, students. We are going to see about a case study and queue. Can you say what is meant by queue?
First come first serve.
Okay, first come first serve. Next.
Queue is actually implemented because we need to manage the data properly. So the structure of the data need to be good so that we can work with it. Maybe retrieving the data, pushing the data, whatever it may be.
Okay.
To understand the queue, to understand a queue, the main example is an standing line.
Standing line.
So the first person gets the first preference. For example, if they are standing for a line for a foot, the first person gets the first preference.
First preference, so it can be implemented. Okay, next thing is that when we take queue, basic concept is first in first out or last in last out. The queue is nothing but it is immutable. Immutable means when you take a position, the position cannot be changed unless the first person goes out of the queue.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next thing is that this queue can be implemented in numerous number of. For example, when we take a term called ticket booking system. Ticket booking system. When we take ticket system, how does this queue concept works?
So if among us, if I first enter the website, I will be getting the first preference, and I will be able to choose.
You can able to choose the position. For example, in case if you want to choose, when we take an example of a theater ticket booking system or movie ticket booking system, we can able to choose the position where we want to sit, or where, for example, it will be from rows from A to B to C. After completion of A, we go for after completion of B, and then we go for, in case in the previous state, after completion of A only it goes for after completion of B. After completion of B it goes for after completion of C. So when we book ticket first, we'll be getting the row at the last. So that we can see the clarity of the movie very easier or very clear. In case when we take a queue for booking a ticket in a queue, in the railway booking system, what happens?
If a person wants a ticket in AC, he will be getting an
compartment.
No, we'll not talk about compartment. When we take about a normal compartment, what happens?
So in railway, we cannot choose our seats. They will automatically provide.
See, the thing is that there's the basic science over here. For maintenance of the compartment, they will be choosing. I'm asking the preferences. We can able to, in case if we book first, we can able to choose our position whether window seat or middle seat or under this upper seat or lower berth, middle berth or upper berth. Based upon the queue preferences, we can able to give. That is the main process using a railway ticketing using queue booking system. Another booking system.
Flight.
On flight, what happens?
So first we book the first, and we getting the privilege to choose our seat. Like we can choose our window seats or the middle seat or the left corner seats.
In case if we have a waiting list, what does queue happens? The major part of the queue is nothing but it will be implemented for a term called waiting list. The waiting list, what happens is those who come first
Yes, sir.
will be getting the seat first or the ticket first.
Like IPL ticket.
Like IPL ticket, those who coming first will be getting that seat first, others ticket first. Those who comes at the last, only when the ticket is available, will be giving to them.
Yes, sir.
All the tickets won't be available. Okay. Next will be say about a queue. when we able to implement a queue in Python, we'll be using the predefined function called push and pop. What is meant by push?
So we can insert any kind of
Insert the data at the last is number it calls push. And what is meant pop?
We can retrieve the data
At the first. We can able to delete the data at the first. We can able to delete the data at last.
Yes, sir.
That is called push and pop activities using the Python programming. Next thing is that okay. Can you say why this queue is needed?
To maintain a structural order in the data.
That is to maintain a structure order in data, or to give any preferences, or to maintain the data. It is easy availability of data or easy access of data. We will be using data. One type of data structure called queue. For example, when we take the queue processing system, we have more real-time examples.
Yes, sir.
For example, booking basic real-time system. What we students know is management. We are going to ticket booking system. Or we are going to stand in a queue for getting something. That is the main process of queue system. Thank you.
Thank you.